In this video, I'm going to show you the craft of the most popular, most practical LED letter of 2023, which is the trim cap sign. Let's go. Believe me, it's going to be the most perfect sign ever. Really lifting up the curtain here. You know why? Because we don't want to see you get stumbled on the signboard. And I love you. So trim cap, let me see. This is it. To install this trim cap sign, the first step is to drill the holes on the wall. This is an installation paper. We got designers to design the graph first, and then we will print and send this paper to you, and you can use it to install. So, before we do the wiring and install the base, we need to remove this paper first. The second step is to install the base first. In the reality of installation, we're gonna put the wire go through the wall, but here, for demonstration, we're gonna leave it outside. So the base of the sign is made of stainless steel, and the face is made of acrylic. Do you wanna know how these are made? Follow me. Don't worry, these LED lights are made of IP68 waterproof level, so it's completely suitable for outdoor use. Most importantly, these lids are removable. So when you're on maintenance, you just need to fix a couple of screws. You know what I'm talking about. So now you know why this trim cap sign is so suitable for your shop sign. And all of our products come with CE UL certification, more than 3 years of warranty, 5 days of production time, and 10 days of shipping. No matter what, I believe you're gonna click like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and click links in our description to get all the information you want and customize your own signboard. And if you're talking to a sales representative, you may now resume your conversation. Thank you for watching. See you next time.